BMW. BMW's Vision Neue Klasse X concept has a significant role to play in the evolution of one of the brand's best-selling product lines. This is the BMW Neue Klasse SUV X lineup, and you're watching Crazy Town AVP. BMW is redesigning, reshaping what the future of electric vehicles will feel like, be like, and ultimately what it will be like to you as a consumer. The Neue Klasse project is the realization of the biggest single investment in BMW's history and will play a pivotal role in this future that BMW is painting for you and I. Here's a plan. While it's yet to be confirmed what model name the Vision Neue Klasse sedan will adopt, the Neue Klasse X will effectively become the next all-electric iX3 in 2025. This year. That's right, you heard that right, guys. This product will be sold alongside a soon-to-be unveiled all-new platform X3 SUV range that will continue to be marketed with the choice of modern internal combustion and hybrid powertrains. Plant Rosslyn here in South Africa is already tooling up to remain a key assembly lineup for this product. Also, the new iX3 is rumored to be sold alongside its X3 sister car until 2028, right here in South Africa. Let's talk about the most obvious element of the car: design. Assembled at BMW's plant Debrecen in Hungary, both Neue Klasse models showcase fresh thinking in terms of design with a focus on clean, uncluttered styling. Now, BMW is deciding to move away from added cladding and trim bits, as well as the use of chrome for highlighting a sense of presence within the stance of its new SAV, Sports Activity Vehicle. That's right, that's what they're calling these new vehicles now. Instead, it will strive to be more honest in terms of its vehicle's basic appearance. Some of the design facts you need to consider about the car. Its 6th generation iDrive features an advanced software stack with 10 times the computer power of current systems. The bold interior design is inspired by feedback from more than 10 million existing customers. Information-rich panoramic vision fascia spans the base of the windscreen, the entirety of the windscreen. A more vertically aligned kidney grille treatment will be a signature of BMW's SAV models going forward. All X models from the Neue Klasse version going forward all the way through 2028 and forward will have this kidney grille sort of vertically designed kidney grille treatment. The iX3 side skirts and front and rear aprons will be made from recycled mono materials, which are easier to produce and thus cheaper to replace should they become damaged in the process. BMW have confirmed the all-electric X model will have a larger footprint than the current Clar-based iX3, yet remain more compact than the X5. The front will generate up to 20% less drag compared to the similarly packaged SUV from BMW themselves. It remains to be seen, though, by next year, 2026, whether the production version of this car will feature a BMW roundel laser etched onto the bonnet like the concept car. But expect the iX3's grille to incorporate LED lighting accents, as you see in this video or image right here. The vertical kidney grille will be a signature of BMW's X family going forward, with a more horizontally aligned treatment reserved for upcoming saloons and sports cars. Both electric and ICE powertrains will play a role in the future of X models by BMW. The new 800V electric architecture and more energy-dense round lithium-ion cells will improve efficiency by as much as 25%. The design of upcoming X models will remain strong, clean, and monolithic, according to BMW Group design head Adrian van Hooydonk. Lastly, you talk about the interior of the car. Before I dive in on the interior of the car, we're not going to talk about the pricing of this vehicle here, because these numbers aren't yet fully confirmed, and I'd like for us to talk about that once that has been confirmed. According to BMW, the interior of the Neue Klasse X was designed on the back of consulting surveys and data collected from more than 10 million existing users, including surfaces covered by a new planned mineral-based petroleum-free Verdana material with switchgear and componentry produced from recycled marine plastics. The cabin of the next iX3 will focus on a large central infotainment display, the brand's panoramic vision fascia projection, and will feature a customizable soundtrack module. A reconsidered steering wheel design features haptic controls that feed back to you as you drive the car. This replaces the functionality of the brand's familiar iDrive system, while the driving experience will be complemented by a new 3D heads-up display. With maximum efficiency and production in mind, expect a panoramic sunroof to appear as standard fitment in Neue Klasse models, including the X models. Unlike the individual seats offered in the rear of the sedan concept, the X model gains a comfortable extended rear bench with cushions, much like the application found in the current XM. According to BMW, the Vision New Class is much more than just a car or a specific concept. It's redefining the BMW brand and at the same time will be more BMW than ever. Before I conclude the video, is this car any good? Will it be any good for the market? And I say yes. This would be a very, very, very huge contender to BYD's absolute dominance right now in the EV market and the EV space. If we can charge, if BMW could really work on its pricing and its cost on this car and just price it at just the right amount, I can promise you right now they will win the electric car race come 2028. At the moment, BMW is quite far behind compared to BYD, which is coming in quite strong actually in the EV market for South Africa right here in our country. In terms of Africa as a whole, BMW is a huge company. I'm pretty sure they can do way more than what they're doing here. Value for money. Nobody wants to pay more money for the car. They want to get more car for the money they actually do pay for that car. So this is to say, BMW, excellent work so far. Keep it up. But do you watch your cost? Is this car any good for the South African market? I don't know. Who I see a lot of execs driving this car, which perhaps its pricing would make sense along those ranges. And I'm already thinking it's going to be quite pricey. Actually, looking at the benefits this car has got right now, it seems to me they're targeting the more senior and exact sort of working class within the South African economy. Now, is BYD still going to be dominating? Absolutely. I don't see BYD being moved from where they are right now in the EV space anywhere in the world, especially in South Africa. Bring a vehicle that is just as good as the new class models that are coming up in the future, but priced for the middle class. Built and designed for the middle class. This car is not built for the middle class. It's built for the elite, the bourgeoisie of the bourgeoisie. Anyways, you guys take care. I've been AVP. I hope this has opened up your mind into the kind of cars that will be seen on the road by you and I right here in South Africa. You take care of yourself, and the future is electric, guys. Don't forget that. Ciao, ciao.